for days. So I was like, well, and it was salmon. Ain't that funny? I was supposed to be making it with.
Oh yeah.
That boy.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leash, and if you're new, welcome. Today is gonna be a fun video because I got my girl Ange with me. Say hey, Ange. We in our cute little pajamas. We finna make some dinner. I know it's late, but we finna get our grub on. We finna have our little girl talk. So y'all tune in. Today, what we gonna cook, Ange?
Making Cajun salmon Alfredo.
Okay, Ange, what we got? What kind of ingredients we got?
Sunday, as Lee said, this is a late dinner, so we're gonna start off with our fish. We're gonna be making Cajun salmon Alfredo, and then we have our seasoned Slap Your Mama for our Cajun and Old Bay. We have some smoked paprika. We have our onion and our garlic powders. We also have some fresh cracked pepper, which is really good. And we're gonna make homemade Alfredo sauce. Shout out to Totally Taylor. And we're gonna use heavy whipping cream, also olive oil. We're gonna season it to taste. We're gonna put in some white wine, cooking wine. That's gonna really get a kick. We also have our linguine noodles and fresh breadsticks as well. We're gonna also put in chicken broth and our Alfredo sauce, and we're also gonna make a real nice creamy zest with Parmesan and mozzarella. So I'm really excited to be cooking with Leash tonight.
And we forgot the lemon. The lemon is somewhere around the house. Do you see the lemon? Where's the lemon? Find the lemon. We found our lemon. Y'all wouldn't believe where it was at, but that's okay. So we got our lemon. We got everything we need. So now we about to start with some wine. Enjoy the wine. Bartender.
So I'm going to do the Galileo family pineapple wine. I'm going to do half a shot of Respirado Patron with strawberries.
Ooh. I'm excited. You excited, friend?
I am excited.
What you doing?
The guys say I'm excited. The guys say I'm excited, okay? I'm cutting the back scale off of the salmon. Because we're doing pasta, we can't eat the back. Can't eat the back side of it.
Yes, I love it the way you cutting that, Ann.
Oddly satisfying, right?
Ooh la la.
I was just gonna say you season your side.
Ange don't like salt. I love salt.
I don't really
I got
like
to
salt.
take my salt. I got
sodium and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of African Americans.
Girl, blah blah blah. You better put some salt on my.
You know, I try to substitute salt with seasoning for garlic salt, but I mean,
no, I need my salt. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start with. I'm gonna just season mine, and Leisha's gonna do her version of hers.
Period. I need that salt. I need all the sodium.
So me, I like to go in with my peppers first because they're dark, and you can't really control them when they're dark. So I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika on both sides.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Get that nice and smoked up. All right, and I love garlic and onion. Oh my gosh, favorite seasonings. And then I'm gonna show you a trick once we're done of how to get the sides of the salmon.
The salmon. The salmon.
Yeah, how does everybody say salmon? I say salmon. How you say it, Lee? Say it.
Salmon. Salmon. Okay.
And black pepper.
And I can't believe you don't like salt.
Yeah, that's too much for me. I couldn't do like the garlic. Like when I cook, I use only one salt. It's either seasoned salt or garlic, and that's it.
I only use one salt too.
But even with fish is already naturally salty, so I just leave it alone. But yeah, I just yep, with that that lemon pepper, that's salty with that, I would.
Girl, stop.
Yeah,
stop.
Lemon pepper stupples.
I need to have my salt, girl. Or I'll be like, what in the Cajun seasoning? That lemon pepper and seasoned salt, that's all you.
But don't get me wrong, my shit still be good. It just don't be like
be good.
as, you know,
salty,
I guess.
I'm gonna take my little garlic powder. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You know.
I was making sure it was focused.
You know.
I don't want to be messing it up.
The cap is handicapped.
Yeah, you don't be like me in the parsley and get it everywhere. It should be monitored. It's parsley. Like, come on.
And then I got, so this is vinegar with some basil and some parsley and some,
wow, looks good.
like some fresh herbs.
So it almost looks like a pesto. You know what a pesto paste is? That's what that looks like.
But it's wet, so you don't need a lot.
Okay.
And just dab it on.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's wet, so you don't want to have too much.
That's good. It smells good.
Thank you. Did use a little more though.
And how long, like, when do you make it? What's the storing time for a refrigerator? Like, how long?
So I keep it for like a month.
Ooh. Okay.
Or longer.
You're gonna have to do a video.
I got vinegar and water and everything. I do need to make a video.
Yeah, of how you make your marinades. That's good. You know.
And it got ginger in it. Got all the good stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So
all right. Good.
That's that.
All right. Stop it.
Wait, I want to add something else real quick.
Okay.
I know, but paprika, that's what makes it get dark, right?
Yes.
You know what? I'm gonna do mine a little different.
Okay.
I'm gonna add some of this on there.
Okay. Browning's good.
Just a little. So we just gonna put some water up in here. Okay, so we're gonna add them noodles in here.
Try.
I'm excited, y'all. Y'all, we got some guests over here. Look at our guests, y'all.
Right.
Look at our guests.
She be exposing me while we be working and shit.
Butter? You have to get the butter?
I'm glad I'm not the only one who speaks foreign.
Look at it and shit, looking all delicious and scrumptious and
I don't like it too thick. I don't like it.
okay, we got D on the Alfredo sauce because of period. Cream.
We got heavy whipping cream. How much is that? 1 cup?
1 cup.
Okay.
So we need more butter?
To make if you want more.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make a whole nother batch.